CRL project is the largest transport infrastructure project ever undertaken in New Zealand. It's a 3.45 kilometre twin tunnel underground rail link up to 42 metres below the Auckland city centre. It will transform the downtown Britomart Transport Centre into a two-way through station that will better connect the Auckland rail network and will allow the rail network to at least double the rail capacity. The Connectus joint venture, made up of McConnell Dowell and Downer, was responsible for delivering Contract 2 for City Rail Link Limited. This contract involved the works on Albert Street between Wyndham Street and Customs Street for the rail tunnels and streetscape works, and up to Wellesley Street for the stormwater and wastewater works. The first part of the works was construction of a new 500 metre long stormwater main on the eastern side of Albert Street between Wellesley and Swanson Streets. This is because the original 100-year-old stormwater pipe was in the way of the future railway and needed to be removed. Prior to the tunnel construction, we also strengthened 40 metres of the sewer main beneath Victoria and Albert Street's intersection. Around 4,600 metres of services were relocated. This included services for power, wastewater, stormwater, fresh water, gas and telecommunications. The main part of Contract 2 was the construction of 350 metres of twin rail tunnels under Albert Street from Customs Street to Wyndham Street. This was done using a cut and cover technique. Located in the Auckland CBD, this project presented a number of challenges, including ensuring public and pedestrian safety, including traffic management, plant and people interaction, deep excavation of up to 18 metres in the middle of Auckland's CBD, extensive stakeholder management with businesses, residents and visitors, temporary support of high-risk services, water shortage and dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. To overcome the challenges, the team came up with some innovations. These included the construction of a permanent deck under Customs Street, one of the busiest intersections in New Zealand, removing the need to install and demolish a temporary deck. This reduced the disruption to traffic flow by over 12 months. Also, to maintain two-way traffic and footpaths on both sides of the road, on Albert Street we installed a suspended working deck to allow us to work in the trench while keeping the street open to the public. Another innovation was building pedestrian crossing platforms to allow the public to see progress in the trench. Finally, the last section of the works for Contract 2 was the Albert Street enhancement works between Customs to Wyndham Streets. The new street has now a wider footpath, more pedestrian friendly with native trees and street furniture. The road includes one lane dedicated to buses and one for cars in each direction. CRL is the first project in New Zealand to adopt and adapt the Infrastructure Sustainability Council of Australia's IS rating framework. This is otherwise known as ISCA. Connectus has played an integral role in helping to achieve this by integrating sustainability across the C2 project. The ISCA initiatives contributed to a significant reduction in CO2 emissions compared to what had been originally projected over the course of the project. The CRL project has already received 3 significant awards for sustainability, which Connectus contributed to. During construction of the underground railway in the middle of Auckland CBD, the project faced multiple challenges, the main one being surrounded by multiple businesses, residential towers and hotels, traffic and pedestrians. To develop and maintain trusted relationships with these local stakeholders, the team frequently went above and beyond its contractual obligations. Construction in the CBD has huge challenges. We are proud of the fact that throughout the project we continually received great feedback from our stakeholders. The team and I would like to thank all the stakeholders for their support and patience during the construction of this important piece of infrastructure.